healthcare system in Jamaica, they are in a very bad shape. They are very pathetic. The point is that there is no clear roadmap from the government, and the people who are in the power and the people who are in a position to make difference, practically it seems that they are not very serious. So what is needed, that it is a time that people should stop looking at government. Few people who have resources, they are in position, they have mind, and they have the kind of brain which is actually required. These people can come together, and they must come together to ensure that a basic required professional system can be established and set up in Jamaica. And this is what is needed. There are and there have been big talks regarding the world-class setup. But the point is that these kind of talks, they don't help. What is required is a very practical setup, a very practical solution to the problems that patients and people face over here. There is no dearth of patients. There are a huge volume of patients. In fact, in Jamaica itself, and I'm not just talking about Caribbean as a whole, what is lacking is the willpower, the vision. The people just don't want to come out of their comfort zone. There is no a genuine interest. People are always ready here to defend, to create excuses for not doing things, and they do it in a very intimidating manner. Now, the actual victim are actually the patients. They don't have good setup, and if you see the condition of the hospital in the Jamaica, you will be surprised and shocked the kind of patient care is available. But the point is that nobody is bothered. People prefer to do politics. People prefer to do substandard things, and just because there is no monitoring, there is no surveillance, so they continue their process. But I think the time has come where people must change their attitude towards healthcare. People in Jamaica must change their behavior towards the progress. This is the time they should stop making excuses for their incompetency, for their deficiency. They must admit that with negligence, with incompetency, with lack of information and lack of competency, you cannot progress. They must admit this, and then they should be the part of the development. They should actively involve in the development process. The day it happens, we will see that remarkable change, not only in healthcare in Jamaica, but practically in every sphere of life. And I hope that this is going to happen soon.